Vous n'appuyez pas, ça enregistre seul.
Ok, après je fais rien à part filmer.
Oui. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Professor Olojani Senkoku. I'm the first doctor of philosophy in international petroleum, minerals and energy. Warlo Rapachita, international petroleum, minerals, energy, attorney, expert and a diplomat of the United Nations. As everybody knows that who are official, the Secretary General of United Nations. The Secretary General is not Antonio Guterres and the deputy is not Amina Mohamed. And also those rumor that the next Secretary General will come from Latin America without Nkunku to occupy his mandate 2020 to 2027, that they lie. Okay, we everybody know that Vatican and everywhere they know that we are official. We were confirmed on May 17, 2024. Short message today. I don't have time because I'm running to go to Beijing. I wrote already. You see, the university came to see me, and I'm giving the positive response to go to Beijing, and where I will lead the thought of Indo-Pacific, the prosperity, economic prosperity. But how about Africa? How about Latin America? You have a lot of natural resources, but you lack management. Vous avez beaucoup de ressources naturelles. Vous avez beaucoup de ressources naturelles, mais qu'est-ce qui fait que vous n'en bénéficiez pas? Qu'est-ce qui fait que vos enfants, les mamans là, croupissent dans la pauvreté? Allez au marché en Érythrée, allez au marché partout où vous allez, vous trouverez les mamans qui étalent là, et elles sont en train d'implorer Dieu pour qu'on puisse acheter un tas de tomates, d'oignons, pour que les enfants aillent à l'école. Qu'est-ce qui bloque? Ce qui bloque, je vais vous le dire, c'est la corruption. Par exemple, en RDC, vous nommez une première ministre. Moi, je ne suis pas contre les femmes, mais je suis contre les femmes qui ont subi des choses. C'est-à-dire que les États-Unis ont pris cette femme-là, on l'a maltraitée, on l'a mis dans une situation et on vient la mettre au pouvoir. Elle va travailler pour les États-Unis. Donc en RDC, la première ministre, c'est quand même la sœur de Kabengele, le patron du M23. Et c'est le M23, dirigé par les États-Unis d'Amérique, qui est en train de tuer nos mamans. De tuer nos mamans, de tuer les hommes, de tuer. Comment Tshisekedi peut travailler ensemble avec cette femme qui est ma sœur. Mais tu n'es plus ma sœur si tu travailles pour les Américains. Ce ne sont pas les États-Unis qui viendront construire ça. Donc, si tu ne travailles pas pour les Congolais. Tu ne travailles pas pour les Congolais, ma sœur. Donc, je dois vous dire la vérité. Moi, je n'ai pas besoin de votre argent. Je suis le premier docteur en droit international du pétrole, des minerais et de l'énergie dans le monde. Je suis professeur d'université. Vous savez, ça commence à 1 million mon salaire. 1 million de dollars et de roubles. Donc, je n'ai pas besoin de... Ce que je veux, c'est que vous soyez bien. I don't need your money, but I need you to be well. To be well. Quickly, I'm finishing. I don't want to people of Belize, Eswatini, Guatemala, Haïti, Île Marshall, Paolo, Nouvelle-Calédonie, Paraguay, Saint-Christophe et Nièvre, Saint-Vincent et les Grenadines, Tuvalu, Dagestan, all these people, I study economy of all these countries, and I find something incredible that I can boost their government and to see the profit. But I cannot disclose it. Until I sit as a UN chief. Okay? I am asking the key. Give me the key. Also, those are detained, oppressed, like Mapisa Ngakula. Mapi Sangakula, Naledi Pandor is not free. We don't fear the oppressor. Africa must be liberated, and that what we stand. I never will be Freemasonry because our ancestors make mistakes, and you now governing are making mistakes. You believe that being under colonization you can do anything. No, we have to collapse Freemasonry. We have to collapse all. But all of this is possible only if I sit. So I'm asking the key to Antonio Guterres, give me the key of the office of United Nations so that the 1st of July I will start. But I'm not going to wait. Whatever you do, I don't care about those is heartless, and I didn't go to school for you. I went to school to serve people, but my life cannot be detained for some people manipulated by West. That is very clear. I didn't go to make my PhD so that you come from the toilet, you come to say, no, it's heartless, and you have to take a decision in my life. No, I belong to God, I belong to the law, I respect the law. And to all women are crying, all women are facing things that you cannot, no one, even if your government cannot protect you. I can assure you that your Secretary General will fight for you. You know, they can duplicate my voice, but this voice have a power because everything starts by this voice. So, and also when I will have a weapon, I will go to liberate you. I'm General of Forces Army. So I want to thank all people voting for me. Those came at the Center of International here in Geneva. And I want to thank all people around the world support this revolution. Let us go. This revolution must be done. And it cannot be done if I give up, if I keep silence. Silence never will pay. Silence will put many people to death. Okay? Even if when I'm going to Beijing, people here in Switzerland start to panic. Where he will let us. Women started to panic. Where Professor Nkunku will let us. He's going. No, I'm going to take renfort so that I can serve you better. God bless all nations. God keep hope. Keep hope. People, Pueblo, Latino American, maintain la esperanza. Thank you, people of Eritrea, people of Ethiopia, people everywhere around the world. Iran, Afghanistan, Pakistan, all people around the world. I'm not linked by matrimony, I'm linked by the Charter of the United Nations.